Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can rotate your videos on TikTok. So for instance, if you want portrait and you have a landscape video, you can definitely definitely rotate the video. And this is where it is on the new TikTok update. Hit that plus button, select upload, and select a video you'd like to rotate. I'm just going to pick a random one, so let's go to videos and select this one. For instance, select adjust clips, and here's where you can rotate it. As you can see, it's not on here, and that's because you have to click on the clip to rotate it. So select rotate, and as you can see, they'll provide like a black background for you, and the video has been rotated, and you can rotate it this way too, and then another way. And yeah, that is basically how you can rotate a video on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!